Hello friends, today I am going to show you how inventory operations can be taken care quickly with batch transfer and wave transfer. So to start with, I will show you my current stock where I am going to deal with this plywood sheet 6 inch and 12 inch, and both are located at different locations. Okay, this is inside my 6 inch bin lower, 6 inch bin upper, and then the 12-inch sheet is in 12-inch bin, which is not on my default location WH stock but at a sub location. Using put away strategy, I bring all this item directly to store when I'm purchasing and receiving at my warehouse to different locations. Now I'm planning to sell this to different customers. So let's say for customer one, I'm selling plywood sheet 6 inch. Okay, and I will say it combination of you know so it will be two standard sheet which I am going to sell to my customer. Okay, and then to same customer I'm going to sell 12-inch with let's say 32 square feet, one standard package, because a plywood sheet is normally 8 by 4, that means 32 square feet. Okay, I confirm this order and delivery will be planned over here. Okay, you can see the stock location, source location is stock, but as my stock is inside the sub location, it directly fetch it from here. Then I will create another order for customer 2 where I am going to sell only 12-inch, and I'm going to sell 64 square feet, that is 2 standard sheet. I confirm the order and delivery is planned from the source location, that is sub location here. Now I'm also selling to customer 3 plywood sheet 6-inch standard, let's say 64 square feet, so 2 standard sheet, and I confirm the order. Now the work start when we have different delivery orders to plan. So here I will have different orders to plan, and I will focus on these 3 orders right now, which is planning to sell uh, all plywood sheet. Okay, so here first I will check what are the items I need to pick and deliver to customer, so effectively I can select all this transfer and can create a batch, and I can assign the picker, and it will be in draft state. So this will be part of batch 01. So whenever my picker will open his login, he will see he has 3 picking to do, which all are in ready state. That is one way of doing the batch transfer. The other one is when I open all my transfers and I group by the location, so this is all WH stock location, where this is a part of batch now. And if I go by batch only, I will see all 3 over here. Now I need to see my transfer. Let's say only batch, and let me go to these transfers which are part of here, and for customer 1 and 2 I have some items from the same location. Okay, so I can create a wave transfer whereby I can define which will go into single wave from my batch. So I will do to optimize my warehouse transfer, like whatever the orders are for different customers, like customer 1 and customer 2, which is coming from 12-inch bin, I can combine into one order and I will create one wave, and then another two operations I will create another wave which is from the same location, like 6-inch bin lower, so that the delivery orders are now divided into wave transfers from the batch. So it is also part of batch where I have combined everything, and also part of batch. So now batch is no more because I have divided that particular batch which is in cancel state now, because I have transferred everything into wave. So picker 1 will effectively go to the single location and pick for both the customer, like 64 feet for customer 1 and 64 feet for respective customer, and put it at the location. I will pack both into different packaging. So for 6-inch 1 and 2 I have put it, and I validate. So one picker will effectively go to one wave, and second picker will go to second wave for 12-inch bin, where exactly 12-inch bin, and then I say put it into different pack. So 64 done in pack, and then the rest 32 in the second pack, and then I validate. So this wave transfer will be useful when you want to divide and effectively use your picker to pick from similar location for multiple orders, and you can speed up your transactions quickly, and then the picker will effectively use for this wave transfer. Hope this helps. Thank you.